Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. On this channel, we talk about mindset, personal development, or whatever else comes to the table. But today, guys, I want to show you something. I'm really excited about learning and growing and being in this new online space. And there's certain things that you need to do daily, right? To work online, to build an audience, to build trust. One is to do an email, and I'm going to show you a little bit about that in one of my videos. Um, it's important to post on social media, right? To have engagement with your audience so you can build leads. The other thing is doing videos, like live videos like this. You don't got to be a pro, guys. You just got to learn, do, teach. Do one thing that's one step ahead of somebody else so you can teach them. But one thing I want to show you today, and something I'm excited about, is this product here. Okay, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to open up a new window. Let me open my screen so you can see this. I'm going to go to Canva. Now, I don't know if you guys know about Canva, but I love Canva. Okay, Canva will help you create all kinds of things. This is where I created my thumbnail. This is where I created some of my my blog posts, and these things here, guys, are so great. I mean, you can do so much. I want to just show you something. This is how easy it is. If you want to do a social media post, okay, and we all know that it's Thanksgiving, right? We just had Thanksgiving, so let's just do like a good morning, okay? A good morning. You want to say good morning to your audience, right? I love this one. This is really great. Okay, all you do is you click on it and it goes in the box. It's that simple. Now, if you want to add something, I like to add my website, right? So people know it's me. So you click on text. You can use the big one, the small one, or the little one. I like to use the little one, okay? Like this one right here. Now you just move it down, write the subtitle, right? I already did that, so let's get out of that. You want to make this just a little bigger because I know that. Let's see, I'm going to put my name. I'm just going to put my name today, right? Sometimes you can put your website. I've seen people do that, but I like to put my name too, right? And this is really cool too. Let me see if I can find this. I want to show you something. Oh, the fonts. No, that's not it. That's not what I wanted to show you. Let's see. Oh, see this how it's very big? Okay, first we want to kind of push it over. Right, so it's in the middle and it's down. And it's kind of big. I don't want that to stick out so much, right? I want good morning to be important, and I just want to have my name down there. So now, guys, right, that's perfect. I want to click on save. I want to download it. Okay, you want to download it again. Now, if you want to share this, guys, this is a tool that I love because I can get my work done, right? I can schedule my work. So now I click on share, I hit schedule. Okay, I am going to schedule this for Monday, December 2nd. Okay, I'm going to click on that. I like to share this at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I want to hit AM. Now it's going to take me here. It's going to ask me, what do I want to say? I want to say Magical Monday. All right, here, and now I want to save this. I want to share this. Let's say, let's go to LinkedIn. Okay, and I want to schedule it. Now, the great thing about this, guys, is you have to remember you have to hit copy. Okay, because if you don't hit copy, it's not going to schedule it to the next one. So you do the same thing, and you do that, right? let's see, 7:00 a.m. You want to hit this again. Now you want to go like that. And now we're going to go to Twitter. All right. Magical Monday. You can put that in there if you want. I like to put something in there so people, it has a little title. All right, guys. So that's just how you schedule. So today, guys, I just want to show you a tool that can help you schedule your whole week, help you get your work done, make you be efficient and effective. So I hope you got some value out of that. I appreciate you guys. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. Click the link in my bio. Learn more now how you can too. Cash in your passions. And I'm here to serve and show you the way.